I made 5 beginner crochet projects. This one took under 4 minutes, while this one took almost 2 hours. And one of these projects right here, I would not recommend if you're just starting out. Let's see which ones are actually worth your time. I tested 5 super common beginner projects: a bandana, a coaster, flowers, basket, and a scrunchie. I timed every single one while I was making them. And now I'm going to tell you how they actually felt, how easy they really are, and if I think that you should give it a try or skip it. Most of these projects used a regular size 4-weight worsted medium size yarn and an H8 5mm crochet hook. I will link all of the patterns to everything that you see here in my blog if you want to try any of them out. This project right here took me 11 minutes and 38 seconds. Difficulty, I'd say, was about a 2 out of 10. It's super simple, there's no confusion, and honestly, if you're brand new, this is exactly where you should start. It's a quick win, you learn some stitches, and you end up with something that you'll actually use. This is a yes across the board. The flower took me 3 minutes and 57 seconds, so technically it was the fastest project of the 5. Difficulty, I'd say, was a 3 out of 10, but here's the thing. You need to be very careful with your stitch placement. If you miss where you're supposed to go, it can look off pretty quickly. So this one I'm going to put in the depends pile for beginners. It depends on how easy it would be for you, but it's super fun, it's super cute, and you can use it on basically anything. The bandana took me 33 minutes and 8 seconds. Difficulty was a 5 out of 10. No real frustrations. It's actually really cute and wearable, but for a beginner, this one would also go in that depends pile. Depends on whether it worked for you or not. You need to have a little more control of your stitches, and there's shaping involved, which could feel a little different at first. So I'd say that this would be a great second project, next step project, but not your first project. This one took 1 hour and 37 seconds. Yeah, no minutes, just 1 hour, 37 seconds. Difficulty, I'd say, was a 2 out of 10. So still very beginner friendly, but I'm gonna be real with you for a second. This one felt long and kind of boring. It's the same stitch over and over again. And if you're just starting out, that can honestly make crochet feel slower and like it takes forever, which can kill your crojo. So yes, it's easy, but I don't think I'd start here. This one took me 1 hour, 59 minutes, and 51 seconds. Yeah, almost 2 hours on the dot. Difficulty was a 3 out of 10, but the tricky part is working around that rubber band, that rubber hair tie. As it builds up, your crochet project starts to get more and more awkward as you're rotating around that rubber band. So it's not hard, but it's not the smoothest beginner experience either, and you could find it being tedious and frustrating. We don't want that for your first project. Now, if I had to rank them from best to worst for beginners, I'd say coaster was number 1, fastest win, super usable. Number 2 would be flowers, quick, fun, confidence boosting. Basket, because it's repetitive. Then number 4 is bandana, great next step. Number 5 is scrunchie, because it's super cute. If you're brand new to crochet, here's what I would do. I'd start with the coaster, then I'd do flowers, move to basket or bandana, and I'd save the scrunchie for later. Now, if you want to try any of these projects out, I've got all the patterns linked over on my blog. You can pick one, start today, and actually finish something. Guys, I hope this video helped you find a place to start, somewhere for you to build your confidence and get some of that practice under your belt, while at the same time making something substantial, something that you can actually use or have fun with. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you have the best day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.